Yeah, 28th of June. As usual, I'm waiting on parts. Front wheel assemblies. Anyway, had to go get my hair cut today. Did that. And got nothing else pressing to do. So I decided to go ahead and bust part this 18.5 Briggs & Stratton that came on my John Deere Z-225 mower. I knew it had a blown engine when I bought it. And here's the carnage. This is the governor assembly, by the way. This is your camshaft, major band in it. Let's see here, is that broken? The counterweight or flyweight for the decompression system is chewed up. Drive gear not terrible. Okay, so there's your camshaft. More connecting rod. That's the connecting rod cap. Like I said, when I bought this thing, I knew it had a blown engine, and the case is cracked as well. Here, I just saw that. Well, there's a big old crack in the case on the lower end of the case. That's why I thought, oh, yeah, here it is. No, that's the upper end. Anyway, there's a big old crack in the case. I already knew that. And crankshaft, I'm sure, is damaged too. I'm not going to fool with trying to get it out. But, yep, we call that major carnage. Valves were grossly misadjusted. Push rods were not bent, so it's straight up valve adjustment. I can't hardly show you now. It was, let's see, it was this one, which is your inlet. This thing was way out of adjustment. This one felt to be okay. So, major carnage, and we call this garbage. I could probably knock the piston out if I wanted to. I might fool with that. But, yep, major failure. But the internal damage, the cracked case, this is not a rebuildable block. It's scrap metal. Ain't not enough left to work with. Now, if I was over in Pakistan, had those little geniuses that rebuild huge Caterpillar mowers with a ball peen hammer and a pry bar, they could probably do something with it. I ain't gonna fool with it other than put it in the bin and take it to the scrap yard. Oh, and the flywheel has got a big old crack in it too. I don't know how that happened. Big old crack right there. Focus. That's how I pulled it off. I didn't break it getting it off. Interesting, to say the least. Quite the mess. So let me clean up my mess and get everything in the bin and go to the scrapyard with it. That's all for this one. Thank you.